Here comes the big Pulse, 70-inch wingspan. Has a 6S Turnigy 4000 milliamp pack in there, 20C discharge. This is not a fast plane. A little bit of a climb to it. That right there was max throttle. Going vertical, still at max. Coming off of it. I still have to pull the cowl off and take a look at that ESC. Figure out how to reprogram it. Because it does stop the prop when you go to zero throttle. I don't really like that. I like having the prop still spinning when I'm coming in for a landing. I mean, don't get me wrong, this will land fine like it is, but just a matter of personal preference, really. Going to the high rates with the ailerons. Definitely more sensitivity to it then. And low rate, it doesn't even want to roll. It does like it's supposed to in the high rates. And this one here, I thought would be a great handler in the wind. However, it gets pushed around pretty good in the turns. Wind gets up underneath that wing and just wants to grab a hold of it and bully it around. Time check, about 2 minutes. Man, mosquitoes just won't leave you alone out here. Yeah, I got this plane used and got some covering on it that's really starting to peel back and peel off of it and split and everything. It's got a couple of patch jobs on it with packing tape, and well, I made one this morning with electrical tape. So this probably doesn't have too many more flights under its ability here before we're going to have to recover it. I'm not looking forward to that. Come on up, my friend. I'll stay over here left till you get in there. Yeah, our VP out here is Bill, and he's a good modeler. He's fixed a couple of planes for me. I wrecked my Dolphin. Actually, the motor came off of it. That's why I wrecked. He fixed that. And I did wreck my T-clips. Cartwheeled it on takeoff because it was so hard to control on the ground, and he fixed that one for me. So hopefully he'll have the time to recover this maybe this winter. He does good work and he's very reasonable when you have him do something like that. Jim, I'm going to come around for a landing. Alright? Jim?
Yeah.
I'm landing.
Okay.
Taxiing in gate 1 here. Pulse XT60.